Hi, I'm Jonathan Brickman. I'm currently completing the Master of Engineering program at Queen's University, and I'm being supervised by Dr. Ryan Mulligan. Right around grade 11 and 12, I knew that I was going to pursue engineering. I was heavily involved with FIRST robotics in high school, so I knew that was kind of the path that I wanted to take. When I got to first year, though, I had a bit of trouble choosing the right discipline for me. So I ended up initially choosing mechanical engineering, then had a change of heart and switched into electrical engineering. And finally, on a whim, between first and second year, I switched into civil engineering, which to me is one of the best decisions that I ever made. But it really wasn't until the end of third year, heading into my fourth year, that I started to really enjoy particular aspects of civil engineering. And to be honest, by the time I got to the end of fourth year, I really didn't feel like I was finished. I felt like there was more for me to gain from this department and from the faculty we have here. So when I heard about the Master of Engineering program, which was recommended to me by Dr. Mulligan, it seemed like the next natural progression for someone who really got a lot out of the undergraduate side of civil engineering, but wanted to just push it a little bit further without having to narrow myself down to one specific topic. I could kind of keep my options open. The Master of Engineering is generally geared more towards career advancement and professional development. The class sizes are so much smaller that halfway through a semester, you don't feel like you can hide, and you don't feel like your professor doesn't know who you are. I haven't taken a single class, a single graduate class with civil engineering that's been more than 6 people. And in every single one of those courses, I've been able to get to know my professor and the other students in my class very, very well. One of the things that I found really great is that graduate degrees in general count towards up to 12 months of the 48 required months to become a PEng in Ontario. So because I'm completing my MEng in 8 months, those 8 months will qualify towards my 48. So including my summer work experience, by the time I graduate and start working, I'll already have 16 months towards my 48 months, which I've also heard from a lot of these employers who've interviewed me is a highly desirable trait because they don't have to start from the ground up and you can become a PEng sooner. What I decided to do for the MEng was pursue a whole bunch of different areas that I could get a little bit more specific in as it relates to a career that I hope to begin immediately after graduating from this program. The focus that I've had through my courses has been in the coastal engineering, like water waves, tsunami prevention, and breakwater design. Then environmental engineering, which is mostly hydrogeology, contaminated site remediation, and groundwater flow mechanics. And then the third kind of pillar is advanced hydrotechnical engineering, so the advanced fluid mechanics and the water network design and analysis. In addition to this coursework, I've also undertaken a research project, which only lasted about a term, with Dr. Ryan Mulligan. So while it's not thesis-based, I ended up writing about a 25-page report that we're hoping to present at a conference in May. And so that project involved picking up some of the past research that's been done on our landslide flume at West Campus. And I've been adapting a numerical computer model to simulate those landslides, which create tsunamis in that flume that we have set up.